Guess what I'm cooking today? And the answer is sausage and vegetable stir-fry. Sausage and vegetable stir-fry is a dish that every Korean household knows and loves. We call it Sausage Ya-chae Bokkeum, or Soya for short. It's a very common side dish that people of all ages enjoy. It's incredibly simple to make, so I wanted to walk you through my version today. I'm actually planning to surprise my mom with this for dinner when she gets home from work. I'm using half an onion today. You can also add bell peppers or carrots if you like, but we only have onions right now. I like bell peppers and carrots. And I can't even eat onions! Okay, it's for Mom anyway. Back to cooking. 20 cocktail sausages. Ketchup, gochujang, soy sauce, honey, and cooking oil. All right, let's start cooking. Cut the onion into bite-sized pieces. And make small slits in the cocktail sausages so they won't burst later. Next, in a bowl, add the ingredients in order. 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/2 tablespoon of gochujang, 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them together to make the sauce. Once the pan is hot, add some cooking oil and drop in the sausages first. Stir them so they don't burn. When they're slightly cooked, add all the chopped onions. Keep stirring so nothing burns. Once the sausages are nicely golden, pour in the sauce we made earlier and mix everything well. That's it! Done!
Boki! Boki! Are you in the kitchen again?
Yes, you enjoyed my cooking last time, so I made sausage stir-fry today. Try it!
Boki, I really appreciate you thinking of me, but look, that's not safe.
It's not dangerous. I'm okay.
Even if I tell you not to, you'll cook again when I'm not here, won't you?
Yes, I like seeing you enjoy the food. And I like cooking too.
All right, then from now on, you only cook when I'm with you. Okay? Promise me that.
Really? Okay.
Let me try it now. Thank you. It looks delicious.